Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. Does the thought of sand touching your feet make you feel like Anakin Skywalker? If so, you're going to want to get this sand remover brush from Beach Sandy.
Sand, it's coarse, rough, irritating, and it gets everywhere. But this double-sided brush tackles sand on feet, chairs, coolers, even pets or kids. And the microfiber pouch that it comes in actually doubles as a sunglass or screen cleaner. This double-sided brush is so soft to the touch and it is lightweight, portable, and compact. So it tucks in neatly into your beach bag, your purse, or you can keep it in your car for those last minute trips to the beach, helping you keep the sand where it belongs.
Don't worry about having sand stuck to you or tracking it in your vehicle after a great day at the beach. This sand remover brush from Beach Sandy is going to solve all your problems, and you should definitely get one. And that's my point of view.